So on the verse we just have three chords, the C, the C major 7, just to take off the first finger, and the F chord. Never play E strings, okay? So it looks like this. Okay, now for the rhythm, just you go down on the 4 strings and you alternate the bass on the A strings with the other 3. It's very easy. Now with the count, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, C major 7. Okay, one more time. And the F chord, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. On the G string, the second fret, the third, and the B string open. So we have and the C. And by going faster, okay, now the whole loop. So we have the F basic chord, the A minor, the D minor with C on bass, G, the shape you want, and G7. Okay, now the rhythm. It's very simple. And on chords. Okay, one more time. If it's okay, now you try more faster. Now on the chorus we have another time the F basic chord, the G you want, the C and the C major 7, the E, E7. We play this loop 3 times and we end with the F chord, the G and the C. It's the same rhythm as the pre-chorus, so okay, now with the chords. Okay, now all the chords faster. If you want, after the first chorus, we have this little riff. Another time. Okay, now with the last half of the chorus. Okay, now I wish you a good practice and see you at the next video with all the song, chords and lyrics.
Imagine all the people